So essentially, my Vdisk on my Docker Vdisk per se is by default is full. So therefore, if I try to add anything more, I might run into problems in the future. So in this video, I will show you how to expand it per se. So first and foremost, you go here into your Unraid UI. You would go into settings, select Docker. From here, you're gonna turn it off. So you're gonna say no, then you're gonna apply to it. The reason why we're turning it off because we have to basically shut it down, and so we have to expand it, right? So by default, I believe it's 30 gigabytes, but we're gonna expand it to like 50 or 60 because my NVMe, when it reads or transcodes as data, it's 1 terabyte. So we could go up to 150, but we're just gonna bring it up. So by default, as you're right here, see it's 30. You're just gonna bump it. We'll just put 60 just cause, right? And if we don't like it, if it doesn't like it or doesn't take it, then we will turn it back. To put it here, since we bumped it, everything is lowered. So I hope this works out. So yeah, so now we're gonna turn it back on. Go to apply. You're gonna click done. And as you can see here, now it's not at 95 anymore. It is, it's not full anymore. We gave it more space. If we want to, we could expand it even more. So it would be like 6%, but that's not needed. So if you find this video helpful, let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time.